Hey everyone, it's All from All's PC Repair and Electronic Services. Just pulled up to a customer's job. Their computer had a nasty virus, but no worries. I diagnosed, repaired, and removed the virus on the spot in under 1 hour. If you ever need expert tech support, I've got you covered. We do computer repair, virus removal, TV mounting, networking, low voltage wiring, tech consultations, and more. Fast, reliable, and professional service every time. Call or text me today at 5616-356-426. That's All's PC Repair and Electronic Services. Expert work you can trust.